Hi everyone, this is MOUSUMI'S and you are watching MOUSUMI'S Artistry. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my new video. So today's video is about a clay plate painting. Yes, I have painted on clay plates. Actually, I have painted 3 plate paintings, but I am going to show you 1 plate painting and you can easily get an idea from that. This kind of plate paintings are very much suitable for home decor. So you can decorate your home beautifully with this kind of plate paintings. So without doing any further delay, let's get started.
So first of all, I have taken here 3 clay plates. As you can see, I was at first a little confused that where I should paint, in the inner part or in the outer part. Then I decided to paint on the outer side of the plates, and then I have cleaned it well and painted it with gesso. And after applying gesso, I have painted Jagannath, Balram and Subhadra on these plates with a pencil first. Now it's time for coloring, and right now I am using here Fabrica acrylic paints. These are quite suitable paints for craft kind of things, and these are the plate paintings, so you can easily paint with this kind of colors. These are very much beautiful colors. I am here going to show you that how I have painted the Jagannath, and first of all I have started with its eyes, and this is how I have filled all the colors. And after filling all the colors, this is looking like this. And now it's time for filling the other colors. And this is how it is looking now. And now it's time for some detailing. First of all, I am going to make some details with this Fabrica acrylic black color. Then I will put the Fabrica acrylic white color for some more detailing. And this is how I have completed all the detailing works, and now it's time to make some more detailing with Fabrica acrylic white color. I have told you earlier in my earlier videos that black and white touches are the magic touches. So this is the time for doing some magic. ready, and it is now completed almost. So let's see its final look.
So this is all for today. I hope you all have liked it. If yes, please do like and share, and don't forget to share your opinions too, and yes, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye bye.